make an estribot which will be finely wrought of new words and of other matters and of divinity's thought. For I have in God belief he was born of a mother's lot, from a holy virgin through whom the world's salvation was brought. And he is Father and Son and Holy Trinity is taught, and is in three persons and one unity all wrought. And I believe the heavens and the thunder were through him cleft, and he cast down the angels when he found them down bereft. And I believe Saint John held him between his arms aloft, and baptized him in the water in the river when he came soft. And he knew well the sign before he was born from the croft. In the belly of his mother he turned to the right side, not left. To whom were given the keys, judge of penitence, of wisdom and of follies. But this the clerics do not believe, who do the falsities, who are generous in taking wealth and stingy of bounties, and are fair in the face and foul with iniquities, and forbid to others what their own acts do as they please. And in place of matins they have found such a trade as this, they lie with hordes till the sun is risen in the skies. Before that they sing ballads and proverbs, all is stray. Sooner will Caiaphas or Pilate conquer God, I say. Monks used to stay inside the monastery shut away, where they adored God before the majesties as they pray. And when they are in the towns where they have their sway, if you have a fair wife or a married man at bay, they will be the coverers, whether it grieve you or it please. And when they are on top and the thing is sealed away with the round seals that hang down from the mattress in the fray, when the letters are closed and the hole is shut, they say, from this come forth the heretics and the heathen in array, who swear and renew gameplay at 3 dice in their play. This the black monks do in place of charity's way. My estribot, I finish it, is all compassed and brought home, for I have drawn it from grammar and from divinity's tome. And if I have spoken, I'll let pardon on me come, for I say it for God, that he be the more loved in some, and for the ill-treated one